Hello. How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Welcome to the bank.
Thank you very much.
What is your name?
My name is Mark.
How can I help you?
I need some help.
Do you have an account?
Yes, I have one.
Is this your first visit?
No, I come often.
Do you have your card?
Yes, here it is.
Is this your card?
Yes, it is mine.
What is in the envelope?
Some important papers.
Can I see the papers?
Yes, of course.
Do you need a form?
Yes, please give one.
Can you sign here?
Yes, I can sign.
Do you have a pen?
Yes, I have one.
Is your name here correct?
Yes, it is correct.
Do you live near here?
Yes, very close.
Do you come here often?
Yes, once a month.
Do you like this bank?
Yes, I like it.
Is the service good here?
Yes, very good.
Do you have any questions?
Yes, one question, please.
Is the computer working well?
Yes, it works well.
Can I check your account?
Yes, please check it.
Do you want to deposit money?
Yes, I want to.
How much money today?
Just a small amount.
Do you have cash?
Yes, some cash here.
Is this the right amount?
Yes, that is correct.
Do you need a receipt?
Yes, please give one.
Can you wait a moment?
Yes, no problem.
Is everything ready now?
Yes, everything is ready.
Do you want to open an account?
Yes, I do.
Is this your first account?
No, I have another.
Do you need my ID?
Yes, please show it.
Is this your ID card?
Yes, it is mine.
Can I make a copy?
Yes, please go ahead.
Do you have your phone number?
Yes, here it is.
Is this number correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Do you check your balance often?
Yes, every week.
Is your balance good today?
Yes, it looks good.
Do you want a statement?
Yes, please print one.
Can you come back tomorrow?
Yes, I can.
What time works for you?
Morning is better.
Is 9 o'clock okay?
Yes, that works well.
Do you like this office?
Yes, it is nice.
Do you have your bag?
Yes, right here.
Is everything in your bag?
Yes, everything is there.
Do you need help outside?
No, I am fine.
Is it cold outside today?
No, it is warm.
Do you have a car?
No, I walk today.
Is your home near here?
Yes, quite near.
Do you have any plans today?
Yes, a few plans.
Was it nice talking today?
Yes, very nice.
Do you feel happy now?
Yes, very happy.
Can we meet again soon?
Yes, of course.
Thank you for your visit.
Thank you for your help.
Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.